In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a class in QuickBooks, and we'll guide you through this process in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a QuickBooks veteran or a newcomer hoping to get organized, I'll walk you through each step, providing some helpful tips along the way. Let's dive in. First off, you want to open up your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Look for the sign in button. It's usually in the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page. Remember, QuickBooks might offer several sign in options, so make sure you choose QuickBooks Online. Select that option if given the choice, as it suits our purpose for working with classes today. Now it's time to log in. Enter your login credentials. If you've stored them on your browser, QuickBooks might autofill them for you. If not, type them in manually and then click continue. Make sure that your password is entered correctly, as repeated attempts could lock you out temporarily. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner again, where you should see a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on it. The settings menu is your gateway to all sorts of QuickBooks customizations, including our focus today, classes. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labelled All Lists and select it. This will bring you to a new page where you can manage various lists such as items, vendors, and of course classes. It's a good idea to familiarise yourself with this area if you'll be doing more customizations in the future. On this All Lists page, you should see several list options. Find and click on classes. Now, you're on the main page where you can view all the classes that are currently set up in your QuickBooks account. To add a new class, look for the button that says New. It's usually easy to find, typically in the upper half of your page. Clicking New will open up the creation page for your new class. The primary field you need to pay attention to here is the class name. This is where you'll type in the name of the class you wish to add. Be descriptive, something that clearly identifies the segment of your business or whatever your business needs might be. Once you've entered the name, double check it for typos, then all that's left is to save it. You should see a save button either at the top or bottom of the screen. Click it and voila! Your class is now created and can be used throughout your QuickBooks transactions. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new class in QuickBooks. Remember, organizing your work with classes can greatly enhance the accuracy of your financial tracking. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.